So you want to start up your hair business in this year 2024, and not just starting up your hair business, you also want to dominate it. Then this video is for you. You are the right place. Hair business is the new oil well. That is, if you know what you're doing and you're doing this correctly and you're doing the right thing, that's when you start seeing results, and that's when you start dominating in the hair business industry. So in this video, I'm going to be teaching you what you need to put in place in starting up your hair business and how you're going to have a game changer in your business. So don't go anywhere. Watch this video to the end, and also this could be a game changer for your hair business. So welcome back to our video, guys. So when starting up your hair business, there are so many things that you need to focus on, so many things that you need to put in place. Some person focus on the wrong aspect of business when starting up their business. Nobody knows you in the market. So we go as far as printing complimentary card. That's a big no. So we even go as far as branding in nylon. That is also a big no. Okay, there is no business without a customer, and you need a buying customer to grow your business. Once you're not making sales, people are not buying, you don't have customers, your business will not grow. So these few steps are things you need to put in place before starting up your hair business, and that will make you grow and succeed in the hair business, thereby dominating your hair business. First things first, when starting up your hair business, choose a business name. Yes, you need to choose a business name. I see so many persons, they go on commenting on people's posts, and some will even go as far commenting in groups and also big hair brands and be like, how much do I need to start up my hair business? I have 50k, I have 30k, I have 200k. No, sis, 200k cannot start up a hair business. Even that big hair brand that you're commenting, asking them how much do you need to start up your hair business, they started from somewhere. 200k cannot start up a hair business. Instead, what you need to do is choose a business name. After choosing that business name, you see that 20k, that 30k that you want to use to start up that business, use that money, go and register that business name that you have chose. Register the business name first with CAC. Register that business with CAC. Reason is because when you started up a business, when you start your business and you start growing that business, you start growing that business from over the years and months, you find out that business is growing. Then at the end of the day, when you want to go and register that business, you find out that name is no longer available. You understand? And you've grown customers. People have known you with that name. When you want to go and register your business, then they will not say no. You will either add this name or you remove this name, or you do like this and that, and then you will temper with that brand name, because your business name is your brand. You will temper with that name, and so many persons will not really recognize you if you've changed your name. So first thing first, register your business name. Choose a name, then register the name with CAC. First thing first. Secondly, create a niche. Yes, in a layman language, a niche means that what is the problem that you want your business to solve? What is the problem that you want your business to solve? When you know the problem that your business wants to solve, it will be easy for you to pick your niche. Okay, and in hair business we have different niche. Example is either you want to be selling packet hairs, you want to be selling blend hairs, that's low budget hairs, you want to sell pure human hair, or you want to sell all of them. Okay, out of all of these that I've mentioned, you pick one and focus on that aspect, and you'll be like, okay, this is the problem I want my hair business to solve. I want my hair business to be like every woman can afford a wig. You go for budget hairs like your blended wigs and all. Then if you want your hair business to be for just queens and also for classy ladies, you go for pure human hair. But if you must pick a niche, I will advise you that you sell both blend hair and human hair, so that everybody can afford it. You understand? So those that can afford the human hair, they go for human hair. Those that can afford blenders, they go for blended. And also another tip for you to pick your niche is you sit down and ask yourself this question: on a normal day, will I count my 100k to go and buy hairs? Or will I count 200k to go and buy hair? Do I have friends? That can pay 150k for 1 week? If yes, then you go for luxury hair, which is pure human hair. If no, I will advise you go for budget hairs. Okay, you are just starting this business, nobody knows you, so it's very easy for people to trust you with little money. And this budget hair, there are so many beautiful budget hairs that are quite affordable. You can see a beautiful wig for 10k, 12k, 15k. So people will easily trust you with their 10k than for them to trust you for the first time. They don't know you, they've not seen you before, to trust you with 200k or 300k. Okay, so after asking yourself this question, you know that, okay, fine, I know which niche I will go for. Is it I'm going for budget hair or I'm going for luxury hair? Under picking up a niche, after you've asked yourself this question, you've answered it, the next step is, do I want to sell wholesale or I want to sell retail? Okay, you ask yourself, do I want to sell wholesale or do I want to sell retail? When you are selling wholesale, it means you are selling at a wholesale price. You can sell 1 week with 2,000 naira. You can sell 1 week with 3,000 naira, with 1,500. Okay, but if you are selling retail, you can sell 1 week with a profit of 20,000 naira. You can even sell that same week with a profit of 50,000 naira, depending on your customer and also depending on how you style the hair. So after asking yourself this question, you move to the next step. Number 3, who, how, and where do I sell these hairs? Ask yourself that question. Who am I selling these hairs to? Where will I sell the hairs? How do I sell it? And most especially if you are going for an online business, you don't have a physical shop yet, it's an online business, you need to ask yourself this question: who am I selling these hairs to? Where am I selling the hair to? And how do I sell it to them? So after asking yourself this question, the next thing you need to do is to create an online store, your social platform, where you will market these goods. Okay, you create your Instagram business page, your Facebook business page, and also your TikTok. There's LinkedIn, there's Pinterest, Twitter. You can sell on any of these platforms. But I will advise you, when starting for the very first time, nobody knows you, I will advise that you shine your energy on Facebook, because it is very easy to get customers on Facebook than on Instagram and TikTok. So shine your energy on Facebook when starting up your hair business or any business at all. So please guys, if you've watched this video to this point and you are gaining value from this video, please do well to hit the subscribe button. It is absolutely free. Hit this red plus sign to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like this video, give this video a huge thumbs up. Okay, drop a comment in the comment section, and also share this video with your friends and family. Okay, thank you all for subscribing. I love you. So let's continue. Like I said earlier before, no business is a business without sales. You need customers. Okay, you need to do marketing more. So after creating your online store, which is your social platform, your Facebook, your Instagram, your Twitter, your TikTok, and what have you, all you need to do is start posting products and doing lots of marketing. So number 4, getting a good supplier that sell at wholesale price. I know everybody wants to bear the name importer, importer. I'm importing hairs. I'm importing from China. I'm importing from Turkey, from Cambodia, from India. Yes, I know everybody wants to bear that name, but do you know, when you are just starting up your hair business, it is better to start as a drop shipper. Okay, let's not even go into drop shipping. I will explain more better in the part 2 of this video. So number 4 is getting a supplier here in Nigeria that sells wholesale price. Yes, you need someone that sells wholesale price, and not just getting a supplier that sells wholesale price, a supplier that is close by, that you can easily access to get your goods. Not you being, let me give you an example, not you being in Lagos and your supplier is in Kaduna. No sis, that's too far. Okay, that's too far. Because why? You're just starting. You need to gain trust. There are so many persons that will come to you and be like, I want payment on delivery. And when the hair is like in Lokoja and you are in Delta State, how do you quickly access it? And also, your delivery time frame, you don't need to be too long. Okay, at least 48 to 72 hours is okay to deliver a hair. But if your supplier is far away from you, you can't maintain that time frame for delivery. Okay, and it will make your delivery, to delay your delivery, and also make people not patronize you. These are some few things that will discourage people from patronizing you. Remember, you are just starting up your business. Nobody knows you yet, and you need to make people know you. That's creating awareness. You need to make people like you, and also they need to trust you. People are giving you their hard-earned money. They've not seen you before. This is an online space. There are a lot of scammers everywhere, so they need to know you, like you, and trust you. Once these 3 things is in check, you are going to dominate your hair business. Okay, so pick a supplier that is very close by. Some wholesale supplier, you pay them to join their wholesale group. So when you choose your supplier, some have WhatsApp wholesale group, some have Telegram wholesale group. So you just pick anyone that is close by. You know that their price is friendly, and also that you can easily access. Okay, you join their wholesale group. Okay, and once you join it, you are halfway to your journey of starting up your own hair business. Okay guys, so I don't want this video to be too long. We are going to continue in part 2. Okay, so guys, if you've watched this video to this point, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and also share with your friends and family, and leave a comment in the comment section. What challenge are you facing in your hair business? Have you started, or you are about to start and you don't know how to start, you don't know where to start? Drop it in the comment section. I'm going to answer all of your questions. And also guys, don't miss the part 2. Okay, thank you for watching. Till my next video. Love you guys. Bye.